What's up, guys? We are back here tonight at the Parker Performance Garage, and we are coming to you with episode number 3 of What's in the Box? So, our first box is from our good friends down at Lee Tuning and Racing. As you know, we often talk about supporting local, supporting Florida, supporting Made in USA, products. Cy Lee from Lee Tuning and Racing has sent us a goodie box. We've got some excitement coming for the RTR. Cy was, talking to me about doing some fuel system upgrades. We purchased, as you've seen in the previous video, the dual fuel pump system from Cy. It's a return style system, and now we are adding the Lee Tuning and Racing fuel rails to accompany that, and we'll also be pairing up a set of Fuel Injector Clinic injectors at some point. But as you can see, they are laser engraved with both the Lee Tuning and Racing logo and the Parker Performance logo. These are billet aluminum, and Cy took great care of us on getting these to us, along with all the hardware and fittings and lines, and it looks like
some merch,
a Lee Tuning and Racing shirt.
Alright guys, next up we have the CVFAB catless downpipe. Comes with a nice black CVFAB sticker. Connection to this factory exhaust. I don't know if you can see it in the wrapping still, but that's awesome. This right here is actually what we want to show you guys with the defouler, which means you don't have to necessarily get a tune right away because it doesn't throw a check engine light. This piece they actually weld onto this downpipe now, which is really good quality. Secondaries go there and primaries still go up top, and they have a factory mounting point as well, so it doesn't rattle or shake. So new gaskets as well, and the clamps for it.
Yeah, so like Zach was saying, this is the CVFAB downpipe, and we're super happy to be a vendor for CVFAB. They are another Florida product, made in USA, quality product at a great value. They bring stuff like this that Zach pointed out here with the defouler to the market by input from enthusiasts like us. So for an enthusiast-based company like us, that's really important. I think it's really cool. So we're happy to be on board as a dealer for CVFAB.
Oh, good. Smarter cutting it.
Elevator music.
Okay. I'm gonna try and get it out.
Maybe.
I make no promises.
Okay, so this is the CVFAB Race Core for your 2015 and up EcoBoost Mustang. Again, we talk about it all the time. We like to support other vendors who are like-minded. We like to support local business. We like to support Made in USA. This is another great product from Jason Anderson and the guys at CV Fabrication. If you didn't already know, this is actually larger than the current largest offering on the market, and has been tested on both 93 and 93 with meth to have not lost any additional boost, and to actually cool the charger temperatures even better than the ETS unit that was on the customer's car previously. This unit is available in either silver or black. We opted for the black for this particular unit, and these are cast-in tanks, and as you can see, it's got placement here for our OEM sensor to attach. And you're gonna have charge pipe, factory charge pipe fitment. It's gonna go on perfect here. Many different offerings on the market have different style of connectors and such. These are gonna be perfect OEM style fitment. This is gonna mount to the upper crossbar, but just below the grill. You will not be able to run grill shutters with a massive intercooler.
Nor do you want to.
Nor do you want or need to. Once again, we love and appreciate small business. We love and appreciate enthusiast-owned business. And CVFAB knocks it out of the park again with another killer product for your EcoBoost Mustang.
Alright guys, that pretty much does it for this episode of What's in the Box. If you like this video, drop a like. If you have not yet, subscribe to our channels, Instagram, Facebook pages, and we look forward to seeing you next video with all new content. Thanks. CVFAB. I get fucked up because we have the downpipe.
Door works.
Vic, I'm not paying for a new door. Let's slow it down a bit.
Door works.
Jesus.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Victor Lockwood.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Bro, you know what happened? Victor was on the door and his
Dick in it. Boom! Oh my God.